Drev. Founded in 2023, Sweden. Clean tech.
How many of you have an electric vehicle? And now, how many of you have a phone? Many people. What all your devices have in common is that they work with valuable but toxic metals like lithium and cobalt. In the past 10 years, the battery growth has grown exponentially. That's why major players are heavily investing in scaling battery production. But we need to make sure they truly make an effective and sustainable transition. Since 2015, batteries became part of my professional DNA once I started working for Tesla and Panasonic, where we built in Sparks, Nevada, the world's first gigafactory. I learned that dealing with batteries in a safe and healthy way is not so easy. Today, the industry is spending hundreds of millions adapting to inefficient processes to remove battery metals from their production areas to keep these massive facilities running safe. These factories have around 11,000 people working inside their facility where they are handling toxic and, for the eye, invisible metals. And unfortunately, the current products are not 100% adapted for the industry. The chances of errors is incredibly high due to the risk of leaks. That's why we founded Drev. At Drev, we have designed a patent-pending technology that can collect in a safe way these microparticle battery metals. Our products can run continuously without disrupting production, and we offer an ongoing support with product maintenance and, most importantly, material recovery. With our service, our customer can close the loop in the battery industry and offer a sustainable solution to keep their work environment safe and healthy. At Drev, we're also opening the way for a new market, and we are quickly adapting to competition to remain ahead of innovation. In the past year, we have gained traction and visibility thanks to our successful proof of concept that leads to commercial agreement and welcoming our first paying customers. This is possible thanks to a team with a strong presence in the chemical, battery, and tech industries. So to launch our products and gain more customers, we're currently raising 3 million euros, where 30% is already committed. So the next time you charge your phones or your car, keep in mind that the next batteries are going to be made with processes that protect people and save the environment. Let's make it happen together. Thank you.